All right, let's take a look at this question here. Absolute value of 3x minus 5 over 2 is less than or equal to 1/3. Okay. All right. So what does absolute value mean? Well, this statement means that 3x minus 5 over 2 is less than or equal to 1/3, or we have 3x minus 5 over 2 is going to be greater than or equal to negative 1/3. So we have to solve both of these cases. So whenever you see absolute value, uh, you need to think about it first. You need to ask yourself, is this a possibility? Whatever's in here is if it's positive, can it be less than or equal to 1/3? Which the answer is true. And if that's the case, then you consider two cases of it. Okay, it's either this is positive or this is negative. Okay, so we go through and we solve this. There's a number of ways that we can do this. I'm just going to go through and I'm just going to multiply through by, again, the common denominator, the LCM, in this case 6. So I'm just going to multiply through by 6 in here and in here. Keep in mind that right here, this guy right here is a quantity, so it's going to be in parentheses. So I end up getting 6 quantity 3x minus 5 all over 2 is less than or equal to 2. Also note that I'm multiplying through by positive 6, so the sign doesn't change, but if it was negative, it would change. Okay, and I made a mistake here. Yeah, no, I'm correct. Sorry. Okay. All right, so again, the whole point of doing this is that you have a 6 here and a 2 here, and we want to cancel those out. So these guys will cancel out, and this will become 3. So I'm left with 3 over 3x minus 5 is less than or equal to 2. Okay. And we solve this, you're just going to distribute. So I'm going to distribute the 3 into here. This gives me 9x minus 15 less than or equal to 2. And I'll just solve. So solving, I'm going to do this in black. We got numbers here, so we're going to move the numbers to the other side. So plus 15 rather, plus 15. This kind of weird black-green color. 17 is less than or equal to 9x. And I think it's pretty straightforward. Divide through by 9. X is less than 17 over 9. Okay, you're really going to basically do the same experiment, the same procedure over here. You're going to multiply through by 6 again. So you're really going to end up basically rewriting the same thing. So this is 6 times 3x minus 5 over 2 is greater than or equal to, now this on this side here, it's going to be negative 2. Okay, so the only difference here is the signs change, and this is going to be a negative 2. All right, again, same idea. You cancel these out, and you get a 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And so we're left with 3 times 3x minus 5 is greater than or equal to negative 2. And then I'm going to distribute to both. And we'll get 9x minus 15 is less than or equal to negative 2. And to finish it off, add 15 to both sides. And this is where the numbers will start to really change here. We're going to get 9x is greater than or equal to 13, and x is greater than or equal to 13 over 9. Okay, so what we see here is we solve it. All you really got to do is change it so that multiply out the fractions after you've rewritten the inequality with a positive and a negative. Do not forget, you have to flip the sign when you do the negative. You have to flip the sign. Okay? Hopefully that's easy enough, makes sense. Let me know what you think. All right, see you in the next video.